Hello students, in this part we will discuss an example of natural selection which was proposed by Charles Robert Darwin. Example of natural selection. The natural selection law was proposed by Charles Robert Darwin. According to Darwin, it was proposed that the organism which is fittest was selected by the nature. According to Darwin, the fittest organism selected by nature means the organ which is fit, those were selected by nature so that it can survive in the nature healthier or without any problem. Clear? Just to show this selection, natural selection, he proposed an example, and that example showed that how the organism can convert themselves according to the natural condition. If the organism convert themselves according to the natural condition, those will survive or otherwise eliminated from the earth. According Darwin proposed that the organism which have the ability, organisms which have the ability to convert themselves according to the nature, those will survive. And those who are failed to convert themselves according nature, those will eliminated from the earth. To show this, he proposed or he explained an example. To show this, to prove this, he explained an example which belongs to industrial melanism. Industrial melanism before 1850 in England, when there were no industries were established, in atmosphere the air was not polluted. That was pure air. At that time, the stem of the trees were light in color due to the deposition of lichen, and the moat which were lived on the stem of the trees, those were white winged, light color stem, white wing moat which cannot be seen by the predator easily. So they have the ability to protect themselves from the predators before 1850. But after 1920, when the more number of industries established in England, due to the establishment of the more number of industries, the air in surrounding area becomes polluted, and this polluted air contain the maximum number of the polluted gases such like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide. This sulfur dioxide eradicated the lichen from the stem of the plants, stem of the trees. So the moat which protect themselves in the lichens, now they are not able to protect themselves, they are hiding themselves in the lichen because lichen was eradicated by the sulfur dioxide. Thus the white winged moat easily can be seen on the dark color stem due to the deposition of polluted air and polluted gases. Thus the predator can easily see these white moat, and this is the major cause of eliminated of moat because they are not able to change themselves, convert themselves according to nature. This was proposed by Mendel and this was proposed by Darwin by the industrial Melanism. Before 1850, when there were no industries in England, the air was not polluted. The stems of the trees were light in color due to deposition of lichen. The motes which were lived on the stem, are white wings. The white wings mote protect themselves or hide themselves into the lichen from the predators. These motes hide in lichen and protect themselves from predators. This was the earlier condition, predators. But after 1920s, when the more number of industries established in England, but after 1920s, the more number of industries established in England, which caused the air pollution. This polluted air contain smoke or sulfur dioxide, such gases. This sulfur dioxide gas with the deposition of smoke on the stem of the trees, the smoke and sulfur dioxide gas start to deposition on the stem of trees, or SO2 sulfur dioxide gas eradicated the lichen from of the stem. इस सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड के कारण से स्टेम के ऊपर जो लाइकेन डिपोजिशन था वो इरेडिकेट कर दिया गया। Thus, the color of stem becomes dark. At the dark color stem, white wings more easily can be seen by the predators. On the dark color stem, the white wings more easily can be seen now by the predators. This is because the lichen in which the mote can hide themselves, that was fully eradicated. Thus the white wing mote easily can seen on the dark color stem by the predators. Thus the predator eliminate the mote. Thus the predators eliminate the mote, because the motes are not able to convert themselves according to the natures, and Darwin said that the organisms which are able to convert themselves according to the natures, such like as temperature, hot, summer, cold, winter, frost, etc., those will survive or otherwise eliminated from the earth. Due to the industries, the color change of the stem, this is called industrial melanism. This is an example which was shown by the Darwin to prove its natural selection theory. Clear?